Can you hear it? Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Miller, also known as Amethyst Winters. I am a mother, co-parenting, I'm an author, and I'm a makeup lover. Today's video is my Beauty Creations haul unboxing. I want to call it that because it is a haul, but it's also an unboxing. But it's not your typical unboxing. It's not a subscription unboxing. It's a Beauty Creations haul. It's a haul unboxing. So that is what I'm here doing today. So loving this. I have ordered from Beauty Creations before. This is my second time. I absolutely love what I got from them so far, but this is all new and I am so excited. I am so excited. Okay, so we ordered some different products rather than the usuals. So let's start off. Let's start off with these. I cannot wait to try these. This is going to be so much fun. All right, these are eye primers. They are color-based primers. This one is called Whiteout. And this will probably go by fast. Just saying. This one is in, I believe, oh, it's called Fresh Aqua. And they're going to stay in there for now until I find some place to put them. But I am so excited to try these. I need a white one because I like to play with colors, as like you can't tell. Went a little neutral today, but still, I love my colors. I love my colors. And green happens to be one of my favorite colors. This is an aqua. Okay, aqua happens to be one of my favorite colors, so I am so excited to be trying this. This will be so much fun. We're gonna put them right there. Okay, kind of along with those, and I will also leave these, but these are their gel-based liners, and I got two different colors. This one is in indigo. I've been playing with liners. I have a white, a red, and a green already. So, oh, and two different shades of green. I have a deep green and like a fluorescent green. Ooh, different. But it looks like that. It's sealed. I'll show you on the pink how it's sealed. But it comes sealed. That's awesome. No smell to it. It comes like that, and there is the name of the color, indigo. So I thought this would be so much fun. Like I said, I play with colors, and you know that. And that would look great with a pink or with even another blue or green, or if you want to mix it up and go red even. But yeah. And good toss, Jen. Totally did not let it. And then I have this one, and it is in the shade, well, you know what? Let's open it up first. It says on the side, ha! Let's Go Party. And we will just put that aside for now. And to round out, there isn't a whole lot in this, so this will probably be a short video. But I also got a lippy. Yay. This is a nice deep purple. I thought it was perfect for Halloween, but I do love me some purple. I will wear it 24 days, or I should say 12 months, all year long, anytime I want, because purple is so pretty. Yep, and I can get it undone. I swear to you, I can. And you're like, yeah, and I've been sitting here for 5 minutes now. Goodness, 1 second. Got it. So I am going to swatch this on my hand. Ooh, oh my goodness, that is so pretty. does. Slight chemical, slight fruit, sweet smell, fruity sweet smell. So a little bit of both. We'll see how that dries down. Excited to play with that. And just to let you know, money has gotten tighter yet. My own fault, kind of a little bit, but not going to be able to do many more hauls. I do these on payments, so, and I don't get much, obviously. So that's why I'm able to do it, because of the payments, and I don't get much. So it's not like it's $50 a check, it's like 10. And even though 10 is a lot of money when you don't have any, and really that's where I'm at. But I decided to go ahead and just get it. But this time, and I probably won't get any for a while. So I got two things of lashes. This one is in the style, oh my. Okay, it just says 3D silk lashes, but I know it had names on these. Okay, this one is in the style, you can't see it, it says unofficial. And they look like that. Sorry about the reflection. They look like that. And then, I like the cases these come in. These are nice. These, I think these were the reason I ordered, because these were on sale for like $3. And they're normally like $6. So, oh yeah, this one's going to be so much fun. Overcommitted. This one is in the style Overcommitted. Aren't those so gorgeous? Now they do range from really, really modest. So last but not least, so sad that it is last, but I got it. I have the Beauty Creations Ariel palette. You can hear them, I know. Apologies. They do not respect the fact that I do videos, and they have to have their lives too. And I'm not going to tell them they can't. So, okay. I was really interested in this one because the colors, look, you can take a guess on what the colors are going to be. Oh yeah. Goodness gracious. Gosh, look at those. Look at those. Ironically enough, I have 3 others. I am probably going to get rid of one of them, of the Princess palettes. I should keep them for aesthetics reasons, but I can get them again. I am getting rid of over half of my palette inventory on Mercari and also Facebook, because I need the money. I need the money bad. I need the money more than I need that. And I have plenty. So we are going to swatch some of them. This will probably not be one of the ones I get rid of, because this is just me. I love it. The pinks, the bit of purple, the blues and greens. Oh my goodness. So what shall we do? All right. So let's first do 4 different, sorry, trying to wipe off my finger. 4 different mattes. Let's go with this. We're going to go in with this one right here. I'll put that on my ring finger. I'm going to go with this one right here. Let's go with, ooh, that's a pretty one. This one right here. 1 second. 1 second. And last but not least, let's do one of those turquoises. Let's do this one right here. That one right there. Okay. So I'm just going to go down. That one you can barely see, but it's really pretty. That would look really pretty on the eye. Very nice neutral look. Then look at those bold colors. Woo! Those are pretty. I like those. Okay. I'm going to pause and wipe off my fingers. Okay, now for the shimmers. let's do this one right here. We'll do this on the index pointer. And let's do that one right there. This might be a shifter because it looks different for you than it does for me, so there might be a shifter. I know, right? I do not know what I'm talking about. Let's do this one right here. Might not be so shimmery. And let's do that one that's smacking me in the face right there, right there. It's a pressed glitter. So be careful, but that's good to have a pressed glitter in there. Okay, so one's gonna be pressed glitter, so it's not gonna be as good. Ooh, that, you can see a little bit of a shimmer. Yep, see how the light catches it right there? And then this one, that is gorgeous. That one is pretty too. And that is your pressed glitter. So yeah, I like it. This is going to be a fun palette to play with. I did...
Hitler for Halloween.
Okay, with a ton of interruptions, there is my haul. I am so excited to play with all this stuff. All this stuff. All of it. I don't do, just not, their response isn't there. And if I don't like to, you know, then I might as well not. And I'm just not going to do it anymore. But, sorry, looking at my eyes and I didn't like it. But it's all. So, I will probably on Instagram put up some pics of me using this palette, with this palette. That's where most of my looks are going to be. This look, that you see here, will be on Instagram. And so many other things. But yeah, I will try to unbox them here. I do try to about every 4 or 5 months, 6 months, 4 to 6 months, we'll say, I try to do a full face of nearly full face of new to me products. And one is coming up soon. Hopefully no later than November, probably December though. Probably December. But I do have most of it. I just need about 4 or 5 more pieces. Yes, that's how I do it. Yeah, that's how I do it. So anyway, hope you have a great day. And if you would be so kind to subscribe, even though I have children that like to interrupt, I still would love it if you would subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I would so appreciate it. And maybe even hit the notification bell and comment down below. Have you ever heard of Beauty Creations? Have you ordered from them? And what was your favorite product, if so? Would love to hear from you. As always, I hope you have a great one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.